The manufacturing industry is an important part of the European economy. Today, industry in general accounts for over half of our exports and 20% of our workforce. That's 50 million direct jobs. The manufacturing industry accounts for a large part of these jobs. Current factory environments are highly automated, but human operators remain at the heart of many tasks. Today, we're beginning to see a fourth industrial revolution emerge across the globe. Industry 4.0, developing smart factories where physical and virtual worlds intertwine so that people and technology can support each other. Could the increasingly smart manufacturing environments understand and support workers better? That is where the Factory2Fit solutions come in. We are all different in many ways, in our skills, capabilities, and preferences. We also feel different at different times and on different days when it comes to our attention level, stress level, and mood. Factory2Fit takes all these factors into account to adapt manufacturing environments accordingly and to assign tasks to workers. These solutions empower the workers to understand and develop their competences. We at Factory2Fit plan to engage workers in future factories to collaborate in developing and designing work processes and related tools. We will also develop tools that support knowledge sharing and learning within the work community. We know that the increasing intelligence of the systems needs to be utilized while keeping workers at the center. The Factory2Fit solutions aim to improve both productivity and well-being at work. The tools allow workers to share their ideas on how to improve systems and processes. Factory2Fit, worker-centered solutions for factories of the future.